Somewhere I used to feel like I look like him.
अरे
I used to feel like. In fact, funnily.
was that on
Bless you.
purpose?
A sneeze? A cough? No,
yeah.
वो
ठीक था, वो ठीक हो गया। जैसे हमारे यहाँ गुपचुप बोलते हैं तो वहाँ भी छत्तीसगढ़ में भी गुपचुप बोलते हैं, पानी पूरी को
Okay.
गुपचुप
Oh,
बोलते हैं। हाँ,
This is like that one student who's going to give answer and
Yes.
yeah, इनके साथ ही हम हैं.
Same.
no different।
Same.
Copy. Rishi Kapoor. I know, slightly unusual. Not that he was very famous. Everybody knew him. But मैंने वो देखता था कि राजेश खन्ना, अमिताभ बच्चन, then शाहरुख खान, and so one I wanted to have a unique favorite actor, and I think he was the first actor I saw on the big screen. My prize.
I will send it to you. I will get in touch with your PR manager or wherever.
Yeah, whoever. Just like a DM.
DM, yes, done. DM. कहते हैं कि बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है, लेकिन गेस व्हाट, अब स्मॉल टाउन्स में भी बड़ी बड़ी बातें होने वाली है, क्योंकि आई हैव विद मी द टीम ऑफ ग्राम चिकित्सालय. हाय गाइस,
Hi.
वेलकम टू रेडियो नशा. कैसे हो आप?
Thank you. All good. How are you?
गुड. आई हैव टू स्टार्ट ऑफ बाय सेइंग दैट मैंने जस्ट अभी ट्रेलर देखा and I just feel so good about this entire show क्योंकि it's like a slice of life kind of a show, right? And it's absolutely amazing to see something different right now. So I want to start off by asking you very simple question कि किसने अपने symptoms को गूगल करके देखा है?
I love that someone's asked us this.
Yes.
This is the second time we've been asked. I think all of us, I speak for all of us.
yes.
सबने किया है, सबने बहुत dangerous answers देखे हैं.
बताओ क्या किया था, क्या गूगल किया?
Everything, मतलब I used to from eye ache, toe pain, headache, everything, and it's come from to tumor, to AIDS, to cancer. I think सब आए हैं answers, but it's not deterred me from asking again.
Google आपको मौत तक तो ले ही जाता है.
हाँ,
By
वो
the
तो
end,
है.
by the end of the article, like हाँ मर भी सकते हो.
हाँ, चलो चलता है.
ओह, मैं तो सोच रहा था बस छोटी सी खुजली हुई है.
हाँ.
But yeah.
Amazing. You know, talk to me about your individual characters क्योंकि जो देखा था ट्रेलर में समझ तो आता है, but I'm sure there's a deeper layer to all of it. So individually आप start कर दीजिए.
So I'm playing Dr. Prabhat, who is the guy from the outside who's come here to Bhatkandi, and he's come with a vision. He's come with some ideals. He's educated. He's well brought up. He has some ideas about what he wants to do with his profession, with his noble profession that he's chosen. Which is he belongs to a family of doctors, but वो कुछ करना चाहता है, वो कुछ change लाना चाहता है, और he wants to at least change से ज़्यादा he's trying to get to the root of what this profession means for some people, and he in this noble endeavor he arrives in a place called Bhatkandi, and as many interesting stories go, not everything goes as planned. And not everything goes as smooth, and I think in a way the characters that he meets there and the character of that world itself is new for him, and through his eyes I think we go through the journey with him.
Akanksha, it's so different to see you in this character because you've always seen the glam one, and when you entered in that scooter I was like, is this her? Tell me a little about your character.
Yeah, so I think Dr. Gargi is someone he encounters when he comes to the village. She's a doctor in the nearby PCO, and she's honest, she's earnest, she's sincere, she loves what she does, she believes she can make a difference. She cares for the people. She's a bit skeptical of new people coming into her world, and yeah, because her basic, I think she sees as her duty is to help. I think as doctors have that code, and then you just see her journey with vis-a-vis Dr. Prabhat, and what she thinks of him, what she learns from him, maybe what she can teach him, and that's basically Dr. Gargi's arc.
Amazing.
मैं मिस्टर फुटानी का किरदार निभा रहा हूँ। फुटानी जो है उसी जिस अस्पताल में ये प्रभात आते हैं उस अस्पताल में वो कंपाउंडर है, और प्रभात के आने के पहले भी कई सारे डॉक्टर्स आ चुके होंगे, तो उसका एक सिस्टम बना हुआ है, कैसे जीता है, कैसे रहता है, कैसे वो अस्पताल चलता है, कैसे चिकित्सालय चलता है, और उसमें प्रभात के आने के बाद से इसके जीवन में क्या उथल पुथल हो जाती है, इसका जीवन कैसे बदल जाता है, वो चिकित्सालय कैसे बदलता है, तो उस बारे में पूरी इसकी कहानी और वो पूरी इसकी फुटानी की जर्नी है।
You know, I cracked up when वो सीन आया था कि वो बीपी मशीन का ये टूट चुका है. It's absolutely amazing. Talk to me about working with Vinay Pathak sir. He's absolutely iconic, and tell me something about him that nobody knows. कि आपने काम किया है उनके साथ, तो Is he chill?
If nobody knows, then I don't know if I'm close enough for him to tell me. कि देखो अमोल कोई नहीं जानता है दुनिया में, लेकिन तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ और जरूर इंटरव्यू में जाके बताना है अगर कोई पूछे तो कि मेरे बारे में एक क्या चीज है वो. So I mean I can probably try and think कि मुझे मेरी क्या perception change हुई, but ऐसा भी नहीं है because I've known him a little bit. I think I've seen him on stage. Not that we have ever crossed paths on a personal level, but there are a lot of common people that you work with, and you always have a sense of कि यार ये कौन इंसान है, कैसा है, not just from the screen, but by the virtue of being in the same set of people, you also know. You just get a sense कि यार लोग उसको पसंद करते हैं, नहीं करते हैं. So he came exactly the way I had heard.
Imagine,
Or imagine, because मैंने सुना था कि यार he's lovely to work with. Of course, the craft is unquestionable. I've seen him on stage. He's just like he's holding on to you as a solo actor on stage for a couple of hours. So वो तो unquestionable है, वो तो हमें पता ही है. But then the energy also I was kind of already aware of. कि यार मजा आएगा. He's a chilled out guy. He will joke around. He will chat with you. In fact, he sometimes I can get very serious about some scene कि नहीं अरे मेरा ये mood है, ये है, वो है. But he was very very pleasant to have around. Without getting into too much detail, मतलब we in the show also we don't have a lot of scenes together, but वो paths cross होते हैं बस. तो वो I was lucky to have those 1-2 scenes, and it was fun to shoot those scenes. बाकी मैं बस सुनता था कि अरे हमने आज विनय सर के साथ सीन शूट किया, बहुत मजा आ गया, बहुत मजा, अरे वो ऐसे अरे मेरे सीन्स बोरिंग ना हो कहीं. I hope. But that's a good motivation to have on set कि नहीं यार हमें भी करना है ऐसा, भी करेंगे.
For the two of you?
So I've had no scenes with him, and we were never even on set at the same time. Like when I was in the city, he was not. But I went for one workshop, and so Vinay sir's workshop was just ending. I think that was the only one day that he had to do a workshop. So I've entered and everyone's very seriously sitting in a circle. So I've got scared and I've quietly slipped at the back and I'm like this, and everyone's reading it. Suddenly he's like, "Arey bachcho, आओ!" And he's just called everyone, and then he's doing he's just chilling for a while, and then he's cracking jokes and giving anecdotes. And I said I was so scared when I entered because I wished Vinay sir was here, but he's quite a ball to hang out with.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, you also agree with that?
Yes, मेरे भी 2 सीन्स थे और मजा आया करके. और मतलब तो हम लोग तो मतलब हमारे लिए तो लेजेंड रहे हैं ना. मतलब
फेवरेट मूवी कौन सी रही है उनकी?
ऑफ कोर्स वो अपनी कौन सी है, भेजा फ्राई. ऑफ कोर्स भेजा फ्राई 1 ऑफ कोर्स, बस में उनके सीन्स हैं. और वो बिहार से हैं और मैं भी बिहार से हूँ, तो हमारा वो बिहारी बॉन्डिंग भी चल रहा था. the ones who left the land to greener pastures for greener pastures.
बहुत greener. मुझे बताइए शूटिंग हुआ था एक स्मॉल टाउन में, राइट? सो
village,
yeah,
not even
of
a
course.
town, yeah.
कैसे, how were the people there, and was there something special that happened, because I'm sure you did interact with a lot of people from that village, right? ऐसा कुछ हुआ BTS that you can share with our audience?
I feel like we were interacting so much with the crew itself that we did.
हम लोग जहाँ कर रहे थे, राजनांद गांव से जब जाते थे हम लोग, क्या नाम था गांव का? गोटिया. तो वहाँ चौराहे पे एक, जैसे हमारे यहाँ गुपचुप बोलते हैं, तो वहाँ भी छत्तीसगढ़ में भी गुपचुप बोलते हैं. पानीपुरी को गुपचुप बोलते हैं. हाँ, तो वहाँ भी गुपचुप, ब्रिलियंट गुपचुप, मतलब पानीपुरी फॉर द अनइनिशिएटेड. ब्रिलियंट होगा. हाँ, बहुत बहुत अच्छा खाना था वहाँ. खाना मैंने आपको, मैं तो लोकल फूड ऐसे एक्सप्लोर करता हूँ. यस,
1.5 घंटे का रास्ता होता था फ्रॉम दैट विलेज वी वर शूटिंग टू दिस थिंग. एंड वन डे आई एम गोइंग इन दैट कार, मतलब रास्ते में गांव आते थे, बहुत सारे आते थे. वन डे आई सॉ, आई वाज लाइक, Did I just see him like walking on the side of the
तो
market में घूम रहा हो?
तो उस चौराहे पे गुपचुप, आलू बोंडा, मिर्ची पकौड़ा,
बाद में मैंने
ये सब होता था.
हर
पान खाते थे, निकल
जाता हूँ और चाट खाता हूँ वहाँ पे. So because मैं randomly I was like looked out of the window and he's walking.
हाँ, मेरे अलावा शायद ही किसी ने ये काम किया होगा. तो
इसलिए तो बोल रहे हैं. Tell me about the audience perception. How do you want people, the audience, to perceive Gram Chikitsalaya? I'm sure it's not a show that is made to make people aware, is it?
I think there's a little something for everyone, and I feel like everyone who watches it will take something of their own out of it. But I know it's rooted in reality and honesty, and it talks about, yes, it has a social message simmered through it, but it's about journey of a man. It's about the healthcare systems in India. It's about self-exploration. It's about friendships. It's about corruption. It's about everything. So I feel take what you may from it.
Yes.
But I feel like you'll laugh, you'll smile, you'll feel good, and I think that's the most important. Yeah.
Anything that you guys want to add to that?
I think that's a perfectly
There's a perfectly summed
wholesome
up
answer.
wholesome
This is like
answer.
that one student who's going to give answer. And
Yes.
yeah, इनके साथ ही हम हैं.
Same.
No different.
Same.
Copy.
You know, when we talk to actors, वो बोलते हैं कि box office numbers on a whole is very important, right? But when shows are releasing on OTT, for you as actors, what is your measure of success? We'll go first.
One is the DMs that you receive. Comments भी कई बार लगते हैं पता नहीं bot है क्या है, but DMs, I think that and the emotion that kind of comes through it. I say DMs, but it can also be a personal conversation with somebody you bump into at a public place, in a restaurant or anywhere on the road, and you can feel it. And I think I have been lucky enough to have done work in this short period of time where it is not just कि वो आप actor हो, मैंने आपको देखा है. It is in the eyes, in their voice, in their heart, of that you've been able to make them feel something. That I feel is not something you can plan. It's
yeah.
not something you can
It's very
really
organic.
mathematically कि मैं
Yeah.
ऐसा करूँगा. जैसे last time भी मैंने उनका दिल touch कर दिया था, मैं इस बार भी ऐसे ही दिल touch कर दूँगा.
Right.
You just put in your best.
Yeah.
And so many things have to come together to make that happen. So yeah, hopefully that happens.
I know a
with
physical
the show.
metric. The platform signs you again. That's when you know.
Yeah,
Trending
That's fair
number one.
enough.
The platform signs you again means कुछ सही किया है.
next season
Next season, हाँ.
announce.
Or next show, yeah.
Anything that you have to add?
मतलब अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑडियंस मेरे को लगता है जब वो कैरेक्टर नाम से बुलाने लग जाते हैं ना, तब लगता है कि
Correct.
थिंग हैज
कि
हैपेंड.
असली नाम नहीं
हाँ.
पता बट
कैरेक्टर
कैरेक्टर
नाम से बुलाने लग जाते हैं,
असल हम पता भी है, तब भी बोलेगा
हाँ,
फुटानी जी.
तब लगता है कि यस,
कि कमेंट में आता है और
तब लगता है कि यस,
कहाँ गई दवाई.
मिशन अकम्प्लिश्ड.
मुझे बताइए, I'm going to get into a next segment because Radio Nasha is a retro station, so we play music from the 70s, 80s, 90s
Ooh.
till 2008, not beyond
Oh.
that, okay? But उससे पहले
2008 is also retro then.
Yeah,
Okay.
तो
Good to know.
बुढ़ापा.
Good to know.
But one reason each as to why you must watch Gram Chikitsalaya to our audience.
That's a tough one, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How is
Only
that the
one.
toughest
One reason.
One
only.
reason
One
each.
reason each.
ओहो. आप बोलो, हम कॉपी कर देंगे.
आप ही
हम
अच्छा
सेम कर देंगे.
Ditto,
Ditto.
Ditto.
I think the most important reason should be when you come back home after a hard day at work, and if you're having a fight with your spouse and you just want to chill and feel good and happy. I think it's a feel good show.
Yeah.
It's heartwarming. It gives you the tingle. So watch it before you go to sleep and you'll get good sleep.
Perfect.
स्लीप
Ditto मत
वाला
बोलो.
इज अ ग्रेट सेलर. आजकल नींद का कितना प्रॉब्लम रहता है लोगों को. अगर आप बोल दो कि नींद अच्छी आएगी रात को.
ये
It's
जरूर
a-
देख.
Yeah.
It's again a honest, rooted TVF creation and an attempt to talk about another aspect of the Heartland India. So yeah, that's why if you are interested in Heartland India, then do watch it.
How subtle and humble.
हाँ. नहीं है
If
मतलब.
you care about your country, then you should
Please
watch.
watch it.
If I have to.
Actually धमकी जैसी थी यार थोड़ा सा.
if you don't want to watch,
अगर आप अच्छे इंसान हैं.
Heartland India.
नहीं, अगर आप अच्छे इंसान हैं उसको डाल दो.
हाँ.
तो आप ये शुरू
आप ये show जरूर
बाकी आप
बाकी
आपकी
I can't
मर्जी.
say.
आपकी मर्जी है बाकी. But yeah, I'll just now copy from the both of them.
Both of them.
Ditto.
Yeah, third होने का ये फायदा है कि yeah, I mean the makers like Anandishwar pointed out, TVF with Prime, in collaboration with Prime, they've been championing great stories, heartland stories. On a broader level, I say कि यार stories that are made with some honesty and hard work and vision. अब हो सकता है कि अगला शो हम लोग बनाएं या हम नहीं भी हो उसमें, TVF बनाए, Prime बनाए, वो heartland में set ना हो, but it will still be, I think, an honest story because that's the track record that they have, and that's the culture that they have, and people have always loved the content that TVF has made, and I guess this will be another opportunity to love
Yeah.
another show. Not forcing you to love it,
but we are.
But
yeah,
yeah.
but
Sadly.
it'll be nice.
You know, as actors, I want to ask you, growing up years में, what are the kind of movies that you saw while growing up, and you know, favorite actors कौन रहे हैं who have been an inspiration to you, of course, from the retro years? इस बार आप फर्स्ट जाएंगे.
Retro years में no, my favorite actor was Mr. Rishi Kapoor. I know slightly unusual, not that he was very famous, everybody knew him, but मैंने वो देखता था कि राजेश खन्ना, अमिताभ बच्चन, then शाहरुख खान, and so one I wanted to have a unique favorite actor, and I think he was the first actor I saw on the big screen.
कौन सी मूवी?
If I'm not mistaken, then बोल रहा था बोल. I was too small to remember the experience, but ये मुझे याद है कि हाँ मैंने शायद पापा के साथ जाके बोल रहा था बोल देखी थी या उसके आगे पीछे की कोई फिल्म देखी थी. So I think that makes you feel attached to that actor a little more, and somewhere I used to feel like I look like him.
अरे.
I used to feel like. In fact, funnily.
Was it on
Bless you.
purpose?
A sneeze? Or cough? No.
yeah.
वो ठीक था, वो ठीक था.
ऐसे ही लोग अपने आप को सुंदर बोलते हैं. I look like him. Yeah. So that's my answer. Sorry.
Amazing.
It should have been a one-word answer, but
No,
I
that's
made it
okay.
like 10 sentences.
Hansha?
My retro is very different to his retro.
Yeah.
Growing up, I think I was a 90s kid.
Yeah.
So growing up, I was the typical, the Shah Rukh Khans and the Kajols, and I was just obsessed with that whole thing. By the time I became like 16, 17, I actually moved on to documentaries and all of that. So my like core memory of Bollywood is 90s.
90s. Favorite movie?
Oh, damn,
One.
the stuff. Diwangi.
Ooh, nice.
Love Diwangi. Ajay Devgan.
Hmm.
I only watch psychological thrillers. I'm a little crack like that. I love like, yeah.
हाँ, याद आ रहा है कुछ.
Okay. For you?
संजीव कुमार.
अरे.
और
अरे
Full
Full
hands
retro
down,
चले गए आप तो.
the absolute legend, maverick, brilliant performer और smooth as silk और क्या screen presence से लेकर के performance, comedy, serious, आंधी से लेकर के अंगूर. The filmography is insane.
True.
And
Nice.
the songs in his films,
जो स्वाद लिया है
स्वाद लेके खाया.
sentence का.
अरे अरे
अरे वाह.
हो संजीव
वो करना है, संजीव कुमार ने जो फिल्में की हैं वो सब करना है.
On that note, we'll play a small game now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to give you badly explained plots of Hindi movies. Okay, we'll stick to only till 2008, and you'll have to guess which movie it is. And
Okay.
this is a competition. देखते हैं कि
Oh.
कौन जीते.
I'm gonna lose, I'll tell you now.
Is it a hamper?
भेज देंगे हम.
What are we
आपको
fighting
बाद
for
में.
then?
हाँ, that has to be
बेकार है, यहाँ पे वो फुट
एक
डाल के
और-
चले गए.
एक चार्जर होना चाहिए था मेरा.
Okay, are you guys ready? The first one. 3 roommates go on a weird adventure. when-
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Before
2008
let me
retro हो रहा
Oh,
है.
sorry.
Okay,
Roommates कैसे हो गए
Sorry,
वो
sorry,
यार?
sorry.
3 roommates go on a weird adventure when they receive a call that is not meant for them.
हेरा फेरी.
Yes. Okay, moving on. A woman dies and burdens a preteen daughter by
कुछ होता है.
Guys, मैं सिर्फ इनके
It's
साथ
not-
नहीं
Has
खेल रही
never
हूँ.
been good at Bollywood.
Burdens a preteen daughter. How is it
Badly
कुछ
explained,
होता है?
badly
It
explained.
is badly explained.
हाँ, I can't join the dots.
हाँ.
Okay, next one. There's a ton of music and dancing in large groups. One person is enjoying life, and the
दिल
other
तो पागल है.
and the other person is very strict with his rules.
ताल.
मोहब्बतें.
Yes, oh my god. The rules gave it away, right?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Moving on to the next one. This is going to be very easy. Let's see who gets it. Okay. A girl runs away from her family only to fall in love with a guy who convinces
जब भी मैं.
her to go back. Yeah. Jab.
Baigan.
You've already given up? No, you can't.
That's my
Okay.
answer.
बैंगन.
थोड़ा retro जाते हैं. Two brothers argue over who should own the family property while their mother silently judges them.
मेरे पास माँ है. that-
दीवार.
Yaar! Oh God, just said it. मेरे पास माँ
I
है.
don't know the film. That's right, but I know the plot.
Okay, the next one. Okay, a wife sells her husband and becomes rich.
Oh, Sita. Oh,
Judai.
Judai. Yes.
Now it's 2-2, okay?
Yeah, I'm
Oh, is
3.
it?
I'm मोहब्बतें, दीवार है.
दीवार तो मैं.
दीवार
you
तो
gave-
उन्होंने guess किया.
You
ना,
just
you
helped me
gave a
out.
clue.
I have not
But I
given-
gave the answer, yaar.
ये तो dialogue
Name
बोल
the
दिया.
name is the answer.
It's
Oh.
2-2 now. Yeah? Tiebreaker करते हैं?
Yes.
Yes, okay. थोड़ा difficult वाला देती हूँ. Okay, a slacker suddenly becomes athletic to win a bicycle race. And
जो
proves-
जीता वही सिकंदर. Bicycle.
Bicycle gave it away. Can we have a round of applause
Yes,
for him?
yes.
Yeah.
मैंने देखो ओपनिंग की थी फिर मुझे बुरा लगा इन लोगों के लिए तो मैंने इनको थोड़ी देर खेलने दिया.
Honestly, दीवार was
फिर
my
line
answer.
में आ
So
गया.
sorry.
Half ले लो.
हाँ
आधा आधा.
फिर भी
But
पीछे
still,
लगे.
you're the
Still I'm
winner.
second.
Oh,
Congratulations.
now my prize.
I will send it to you. I will get in touch with your PR manager, wherever.
Yeah, whoever. Just like a DM.
DM, yes, done. DM. But guys, thank you so much. All the very best. I can't actually wait to watch the series and
Thank you.
also wait for the world to watch it.
Yay.
Lovely.
you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Radio Nasha.